yes, actually. Was it the one for second-hand furniture?
That's right, yes. Last Thursday?
Oh, yes. Some of it's already gone, I'm afraid, but what exactly were you interested in?
Mainly the dining room furniture, especially the table. Has that gone yet?
Not yet.
Oh, good. Can you tell me a bit about it?
Well, it's round. I'm not sure of the exact measurements. But it's medium-sized. It seats about 6.
And how old is it?
Let's see. 10 years. No, it must be 12 by now.